Where I come from, we are identified by our recognition of a common culture, language, religion, and history. We are the most physically varied populations in the world, from our brown eyes, dark skin, wonderful dentition, our kindness and generosity, our darkest actions, our intelligence quotient, our food, our housing, to our attires. Some say we have a lot of malice, some say it's a lot of nerve, but I say we won't quit moving until we've got what we deserve. Say it loud, I am black and I am proud.